And the race on, guided missile from the outside. Marcus Empire, Siklag Devil Rising. Moving up is just like it. Just like it by the rallies Marcus Empire, and racing third Devil Rising alongside is guided missile Siklag. Entry number 2 Angel Sky Fiery Bull alongside is Big Time Bonjing, Blondie Badge, fourth class Okidoki's Marifans, and Prince Carlo is running at the tail of the field, just like it. By some 4 lengths, Devil Rising is now running in second. Sick Plug in the middle, guided missile, Big Time Bonjing, Marcus Empire, Angel Sky, Fiery Bull, Okidoki's Marifans, Prince Carlo, and Blondie Buzz having some problem. Just like it, guided missile, Sick Plug, Devil Rising. Moving up by the last day race to final corner. Guided missile just like in the middle. Devil Rising Danori inside. Siklag on the outside. It's now guided missile followed by just like Devil Rising. And nearing the finish line. Guided missile. Just like it close. Big Time Bonding Devil Rising close for 5th and 6th between Prince Carlo and Siklag for your Super Sais.